your cereal bowl, Brittany.
Put his bowl in the house.
Y'all gonna see this on YouTube. If I'm still alive.
I don't like that.
Dad, you don't even. I'll put it on God too then.
Okay, let's get inside.
I go inside when Solomon goes in. Solomon. No, but he never going to go inside. That's why I'm saying that. I see him over there, Dad. Oh my goodness. I'll not be looking at Solomon. He's like 40 years old. No, Dad.
He's 33 and a half.
And he done. Never mind. Just going on YouTube. Stop. Never mind.
Holy Ghost, I'll hook you up with it.
Daddy, he's 58 years old. I just said he was 40.
I'm lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanted to take a shower too before it came. Look like I'm gonna be smelly.
Look at that bird. He's trying to go south. That bird looks like the wind was blowing up.
At least it's still in the street talking.
No,
Oh, there she is.
Where is everybody? So did y'all's electricity go out? Yeah.
Blink.
Yeah. Is it back on?
Michael, what do you think, Michael?
Say Hurricane Ike ain't got nothing on Mike. That's what I say.
It's hard.
Go and play with the computer.
I did.
Okay.
We ain't got no internet now, not even for the laptop.
Don't worry about that.
The internet was the access to the outside world, Dad.
I got my wet weather gear ready to roll, boy.
Daddy, I told you I'm jumping on your back because I can't swim. You better not.
Moving that.
Ah!
No.
Hey, close the door.